How to get free gems in Stumble, guys. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can get free gems in Stumble, guys. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Now if you want to get free gems in Stumble, guys, the first and foremost is by playing the daily missions. So if you go towards this missions tab from the bottom, you'll find various missions that you can choose to complete on a daily basis. You can just finish these tasks to collect EG gem rewards. Second is by spinning the lucky wheel. So if you go towards this free prizes section from the top left, and you'll find your lucky wheel right here. You can just click on this free option and you can go ahead and spin this lucky wheel in this case, and you can also get super lucky wheels for the chance to win random gem drops like this as well. You can see I got 10 gems right here in front of you. Then you can also progress through Stumble Pass, because if you happen to have Stumble Pass, you can click on it. You can just progress through even the free tier of Stumble Pass in this case to earn bonus gems without buying the premium pass. You can also play competitive tournaments. So if you go to tournaments tab here, you can play this elimination cup and legendary laser dash to offer gem payouts as well. And these are a couple of ways you can get free gems in Stumble, guys. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.